opportunities, parang mga chances po, like mga openings and all that, sometimes are not directly from me. Sometimes some of my posts are from my friends na willing to help po. Or may mga company sila or client sila na naghahanap po ng tawag dito ng mga VAs or freelancers. Sige, isa po, first one po talaga na notice ko na I hope ma-avoid yung ano po, not reading the caption intentionally. Para yung 'di ba po, for example, yung post ko po last time about job opportunities. I have provided a lot of information po sa caption mismo. So, yung na-notice ko, um, questions that you're asking are actually answered na po if binasa nyo po yung caption or instructions. Remember po, when we take exams or tests, instructions are part of the test or exam. That's my first point po. So, when you are or when you see a post na interested po kayo, like super interested kayo, and it's something na, ay, gusto ko to, like, I want to try this. The first thing that you should do is to read. Hello, Ate Lisa, welcome po. So, first one, ano po to, it sounds cliche talaga, but reading instructions po can save you. You know, can save both people. Kasi ako, I received tons of questions po na, I felt like so sad na ba't di binasa yung instructions. And I've been repeatedly putting po sa comment section na please read the caption first. Kasi yung link nandun sa caption. Yung magkano yung rate nandun din sa instructions or sa caption. And ano pa, ano yung mga kailangan, requirements, o kailangan ng laptop, kailangan ganito, ganyan. So, please read the caption po. So, read the caption. And let me include this as well. Because you know what, when you read the caption, it will save your time. Mag-message ka pa kay, for example mag-message ka pa sa akin. And what if hindi ko mabasa agad yung message mo? Usually, mag-respond ako. If nakita ko, mag-respond ako agad if I'm available. If not, maghihintay ka pa po ng the next day bago mo po makita yung link. Parang ganon. Which is link provided na po pala doon. Mismo po sa post. So, okay. Gets nyo po na kailangan po talaga mag-read instructions po. You read the caption, you read the instructions because again, it's part of the hiring process. Okay, so do you have any questions before I proceed to the second one? Hello po ulit. Good evening. Everybody, again, welcome to my live. This is the very first time na I'm sharing what I know. And I'm hoping that you're gonna share it with others, especially for those who are really looking for a job right now. They need this one. I hope you can share this with them. Thank you. Again, welcome po sa mga kakapasok lang. Sige po. Second na, I could say na sobrang importante. If you are looking for a job online, like any job, freelancing man yan, virtual assistant man yan, or whatever. So, pangalawa po. Okay, let me just... Okay. Second, you have to know the company. So, nalagay ko dito, number 2, study everything that you can about the company. Bakit? Bakit kailangan nating pag-aralan kung ano yung Rain Global? Kasi yung company ko Rain Global. So, yung questions sa akin, sa mga DMs, Teacher Jean, Ano yung company mo? Anong pangalan? Sabi ko, if this person really read the caption sa post ko, hindi na siya magtatanong. Kasi doon sa caption mismo, nandun yung link ng company. I-click mo lang yun. Apaka-clear ng instruction talaga na click this button if you wanted to know more about the company or the business. So, please po, huwag kayong mag-apply sa isang company na hindi nyo alam kung ano yung ginagawa nila. You have to know what their business is, what they're doing. Yes po. Do you have any questions? Lagyan nyo lang po sa comment ha section if you have any questions. And again, we'll end this live at exactly 8 p.m. So, kasi I'll have my shift po 5 a.m. tomorrow. So, I cannot stay that long. So, sige po. Alright. So, second po ulit, let me repeat, which is, again, for me, very, very important. You have to know the business. Rain Global. What is Rain Global? That is why, every single time po, kahit hindi yung company namin, any company po na naghahanap po ng trabaho, like eRoom, my very first company po dito sa Bacolod, like it's a school. It's a Korean, Japanese school. Maraming nationalities doon na tinuturuan po namin. So, instructions are always given po sa caption. So, you have first, again, you read the caption. Second, you have to know the company. So, i-click mo yung, again, yung link. And then, you have to know everything that you can know about the company. Kasi po, alam nyo, realistically, gusto ng company talaga na sana no, yung mag-apply sa kanila yun na. Kasi nahihirapan din po sila na maghanap. To be very honest. Sige. Know the company. Yun yung second tip ko po. If you're looking for a job right now, online man yan o hindi, this is generally super applicable. You have to know the company. First, you have to know what their business is. Ano yung business nila? Second, ano yung problem ng company? Ano yung kailangan ng company? And third, ano yung magagawa mo for them to be part of, you know, the solution to their problem. Gets nyo lang? Gets nyo? Yun yung point eh. A lot of fresh graduates na na-coach ko before, kasi super, ano ko po, like, gustong-gusto kong tumulong, like, especially if, you know, they're very honest na, this is what my problems are, ito yung problema ko talaga, English. Most of them are English talaga yung problem, nahihirapan mag-communicate sa English, yun. So, yun nga, I mean, going back, so, please bear with me kasi minsan, while I'm talking, nakakalimutan ko yung next ko na sasabihin. So that's why I need to write down things or I need to check some things. Sige. So, gets nyo lang po yung second, why it is important. Kailangan nyo pong malaman. Kasi po, alam nyo, if you know what the business is, what the problem is, and what you can do for them to, you know, to resolve their problem or to be part of the success of the company, that's what they need during the interview. Lahat po ng process, lahat po na kailangan nyo pong pagdaanan sa pag-apply, everything po, if alam mo yung ginagawa mo, alam mo kung ano yung problem na nire-resolve mo, you will really be given the chance to be part of the company. Kasi ako, to be honest, hilig po ako mag-search talaga. Like, hindi ko alam kung how it started, but every single time na merong company ako na ina-applyan, I do all the research. Check ko yan, YouTube nila, if may YouTube channel sila. Yung website nila, pinag-aaralan ko yan for a couple of days. Bago ako mag-apply. So, that's the third point. Okay. So, the third point, it actually yung third po na tip, very related po siya sa number 2 natin. So, you do your research about the company. Okay? So, check mo ang Facebook nila, check mo yung website nila. Kasi sa website po nila, nandun na mismo po yung qualifications na hinahanap, roles na kailangan nila, and ano pa, yung vision po, yung vision ng company. So you have to do your own research po. And when you do the research, okay, this is the number 3 na tayo Okay, may questions ba? Baka Hello po. Good evening everyone. Hello, good evening. Okay, hindi ko kayo maisa-isa pero again, thank you so much for joining this live and please share po for those na kailangan po nito or might need. Sige. Okay, number 3 na tayo So, third one is do your research. Kasi po, when you research about the company, mas malalaman mo po kung paano mo i-hit yung mga tanong sa interviews. So, during the interview, kung alam mo kasi yung pinunta mo sa interview, you don't have to memorize anything. Kasi ako po, I hate memorizing. Super hate memorizing kasi hindi ko alam. I just don't like memorizing things. Mahina ako doon. So what I do, I understand my purpose. Bakit ako nag-a-apply? Okay. Yung sagot talaga is I want to be of help because I know I have something na kailangan ng company para mag-succeed sila. Okay. So part of the research Okay. Hello po, Elder Dero. Good evening. Elder Dero is Brother Dero siya dati. So, Elder Dero is one of those na super believe talaga sa akin dati. I remember nung, pasayod. Advertisement. Konting advertisement. Dati, nag-YouTube ako. Brother or Elder Dero talaga, super advertised talaga siya sa akin. So, thank you po. Thank you so much. You've really, boosted my confidence po during that time. And hanggang ngayon, hawak-hawak ko yan po. Thank you po. See, the third thing, part pa din po siya ng research. Please po, bago kayo mag-apply sa company, you have to know the technicality po. If for example, in-applyan nyo po, let's say, customer support, yung hindi siya call center by the way yung virtual assistant just to be clear doon. Marami pong reasons bakit hindi sila pareho. So you can do your own research on that. Pero yun pong gusto ko i-clarify. Sige. Bakit kailangan mag-research? Una, kailangan mo kasing malaman kung paano, kasi alam ko na, let's say you have the purpose na, gusto kong maging part ng company na to. I have this skill. Meron kang skills na nakita mo doon sa qualifications. Okay, check na yon. Okay? So, again, check the qualifications first. And then check your own qualifications. Ano bang meron ka? Mache-check mo ba yung mga boxes na yon? Okay? If not, you have to do something about it. Okay? If problem mo yung English mo, you have to do something with your English. Kasi, again, kailangan mo talaga lang mapagdaanan yung mga mahihirap na part. Sige. So, example So, yung Rain Global, dati, nung nag-apply ako, it was not my first time na VA experience. So, gusto ko dalhin kayo doon sa pinakauna kong company talaga. Yung alam ko lang na job dati, pagtuturo. I teach English and yun lang po yung alam kong trabaho. Wala akong ibang alam. So, during the process, kasi medyo mahirap po yung process po kasi sa mga online or work from home jobs, especially yung mga VA jobs. medyo mahirap po yung mga steps or process po na need yung pagdaanan. Medyo demanding po siya. Pero, kayang-kaya. Demanding lang. It takes time, effort, research, and a lot of practice talaga or a lot of things that you need to improve po sa sarili niyo. Okay. Alright. Saan na ba ako? So, okay. Sa pinaka often na tanong, okay, ano yung gagawin ko if wala talaga akong experience, Teacher Jean? Like, paano ako makapag-work from home? Eh kasi yung experience ko is apakalayo naman. Like, ganito, ganyan. So, ako, yung in-applyan ko una, parang customer service siya. Pero, basta VA jobs kasi, hindi nag-end doon sa customer service. Ang daming, admin tasks. Doon ako nahirapan. Kasi, first time ko. Alright? Although, medyo basic alam ko sa computer. So, ang dami kong pinag-aralan. Napagod ako, hindi pa ako nakapag-apply, napagod na ako. Like, nakita ko yung post, and then, I applied yung tatlo na sinabi ko kanina. First, binasa ko talaga 3 times yung post. Tapos, pangalawa, pinag-aralan ko yung company, baka hindi legit. Yun yung pinaka kasi ang daming scam or parang hindi legit na mga post, 'di ba? Or mga companies, 'di ba? Na kailangan mo pang pala magbayad. Akala mo trabaho na, ikaw pa pala magbabayad. Yun, pinag-aralan ko yun. And then the third one, I did my own research po. So, yung ginawa ko, kasi wala akong experience. Okay. So, if you have no experience, this live is for you. Okay? Kasi, i-explain ko, hopefully, in a few minutes kaya. Pero, we will have another live on Friday, 7 p.m. pa rin. So, to be continued na lang, if my questions man or whatever. Sige po. Okay. Wala akong experience. Like, VA, ano yun? Research ako, anong VA? Okay. Tapos, di ba may list na po ako. Pinag-aralan ko na, no? Yung hindi pala Rain yun. Go to Incorporated. 2 years din ako doon. Yun yung first company ko. So, pinag-aralan ko, like, grabing qualifications, ang dami. Ang demanding. Super. Siguro yung na-check ko lang nung una, yung English communication skills. Kasi, yun, nag-teach ako ng English for 8 years eh. So, yun lang yung check ko. Promise, sa ilang qualifications ba yun? 8 or 10? Na parang list nila doon sa website. Nakita ko, yung na-check ko lang talaga, to be very honest talaga, 1 or 2 lang yung English communication skills, and then flexibility ata sa shift kasi kailangan mo magtrabaho ng night shift. Parang ganun, isa yun sa mga qualifications. So, parang yun lang. Sabi ko, anong gagawin ko dito sa sa ibang, sa ibang qualifications kasi parang wavy ako doon. Like, parang hindi ako sure doon. So, what I did, tinandaan ko yun, like, I listed down, hilig ako magsulat. So, tinote ko talaga yung mga skills na kailangan. So, yun yung pinag-aralan ko. Okay? Because, why did I have to do it? Why? Because first, I wanted a job. And if you wanted a job, hindi enough na i-practice mo lang yung interview. It's not enough. Okay? So, second, kailangan mo talagang maging competitive. Kasi alam mo, when they post something, ay, ilan kayo niyan na mag-a-apply. So, there should be something in you. Okay? Nabibigyan ka ng opportunity na makago sa next level. Okay? So, alright. Yun na. Yun yung story ko na parang, if you are a negative person, parang nagnega ako agad. Kasi, sa 8 or 10, 2 lang yung qualifications na meron ako that time. But, kasi naniniwala ako sa sarili ko na gusto ko yung company, yung ginagawa ng company. Okay, gusto ko yung pagtulong nila sa mga Pilipino. I love being a Filipino and I love my fellow Filipinos. So, yun nga, marami silang jobs na binibigay po sa mga Pilipino. Kaya isa po yun sa mga nagustuhan ko po talaga na gusto ko maging part ng company na to. They have, we call them like agency po sila. Tapos marami po silang kliyente and like 80% of their tawag dito, employees po are from the Philippines. 'Di ba ang ganda? Like super happy ako. Like I want to be of help po sa company. So, yun po. Pinag-aralan ko po ng todo-todo talaga. Pinakabongga na kaya ko, pinakabongga na research na kaya ko, and practice po. May mga tools po ako na pinag-aralan, hindi ko na maalala ngayon. Pero, yun po yung nakita ko nung nag-research ako. May YouTube University po tayo, please. Make use of those free tools. Meron din po tayong mga free, ang tawag dito? Coursera ba yun? Basta, Coursera. If you want to know, like mga free courses po, talagang super free siya. Hindi siya free if kukuha po kayo ng certificate po. Pero, yung Coursera talaga, super bongga. Yun, wala lang talaga akong energy na mag-study more pa ngayon. So, pinag-aralan ko yung mga hindi ko na-check doon sa mga boxes or sa mga requirements po. Okay? Nung medyo may 5 na ako na na-check, ito kaya ko na to. Ito gets ko na to. Ito, yung mga ganon. So, it took me weeks talaga. It took me weeks po bago ako talaga nag-hit po ng apply for this role. So, in-applyan ko po, Customer Experience Manager. Customer Experience Manager. Yun yung po una kong role po na in-applyan. So, yung nangyari, nakapasa po ako sa mga steps po, no? Yung pinakamahirap po na part actually is the interview with the client. Yung client po, yung mag-hire po talaga sa inyo. Okay? So, ilan kami? 8 kami. 8 kami. Medyo may isang kami, Zoom. So, may 2 rooms po. First room po, with the manager ata, yung talagang tawag doon, para nag-accommodate po sa mga questions po namin. Manager yung tawag sa kanya, kalimutan ko yung exact po na role. So, sa first room po, yung manager. And then sa second room po, would be the client. So, bago ako nakarating doon sa interview, binigyan po nila ako ng 3 days po na pag-aralan po yung business ni client. So, yung business ni client po was, hair growth products. So, sabi ko, anong alam ko sa hair growth products? Baka tanungin ako nito ng mga brands na hindi ko alam kasi sa US yon, America po yon. So, yung ginawa ko po, nung I received the email na, congratulations, meron kang chance na magka-client. Okay, meron akong, chance pa lang yon. So, when I had the chance na, yung ginawa ko, pinag-aralan ko yung client. Kasi, binigyan lang po nila ako ng business ni client, parang website po ng client. So, yun lang po yung ginawa ko. Wala akong alam about sa serum na yan. Wala din akong alam kung mga MMA. Basta ang dami kong talagang sabi ko, kakaba, like I was super nervous kasi, first ko na client, kumbaga na interview. First na VA job, first na client interview. Tapos 8 kami. Isa lang po yung kailangan. Oh my goodness. So I was like, kinakabahan ako. Like, especially, in-introduce namin yung mga selves namin, no? During while waiting pala sa client. So, Yung mga kasama ko talaga, 10 years na sa BPO, 15 years, naging TL na. Tapos may iba naman, parang nasa medical na field. So, magkaiba kami. And I was the only person na teaching yung background. Alright, to make the story short, one of the things that I learned why I got the job. Okay, doon na tayo. So, why I got the job? Una, ginawa ko yung tatlo. Alright, let me repeat. Yung tatlo is you have to read the caption if may nag-post. Kasi mostly now, post yan sa Facebook, sa TikTok, mga ganun. So, you have to read the instructions, please. Importante yon. Second, you study the company. Pag-aralan mo po yung website po ng company. Kasi doon po yung mga questions nyo mostly. Ano yung requirements, anong qualifications, ano yung business ng company. Nandun lahat yon sa website po nila. Okay? And again, yung link po ng website are most likely andun din po sa caption. So, pag hindi nyo po binasa yung caption, hindi nyo po alam kung saan pupunta, kung paano mag-start. Okay? Gets po? And then the third one is to research. You have to do your own thing po you have to give it your all po. Kasi if kailangan nyo po ng job, gagawin nyo po talaga lahat. As in. And so, if nakita nyo po sa qualifications, this is part of the third tip which is the research thing. So, if nakita nyo po sa qualifications na dalawa lang yung check nyo, parang dalawa lang yung kaya nyong gawin, and you have to be honest po sa selves natin. Really have to be honest. If hindi mo kaya yung trabaho, don't waste your time po talaga na mag-submit po ng resume. Kasi you will be disappointed po na kasi mahaba po yung proseso. And yung hintay din, yung paghihintay, mahaba siya. So if you know for yourself na hindi mo talaga kaya yung yung qualifications, una, if wala ka pong laptop, if wala ka pong internet doon sa bahay nyo, and then wala ka pong backup, yung parang, you really have to invest po talaga. If the qualification says na you need a laptop na ganito, yung qualifications, or ang tawag doon? Specifications pala, sorry. Yung specifications po, meron doon. And if wala po kayo noon, you have to invest po talaga. To be frank po. You have to invest. Alam nyo po, honestly speaking, yung una ko po talagang job, hello, Kayla. Sorry, ngayon ko lang nakita yung hello. Alright, so, kalimutan ko. Yung una ko po talagang set po ng computer, ano pa yon? Desktop yon. Hindi yung laptop. Desktop kasi yung, yung requirement po sa una kong trabaho. First ko po kasi na work from home job was sa 5-1 Talk. Alam naman yung 5-1 Talk, super demanding nun. So, yun, alam nyo po, yung first computer ko, inutang ko po yun. Like, for real. My best friend po ako na inutangan kasi hindi ko naman po kaya na mangutang po ng merong interest. Paano ko mababayaran? Parang ganun. And alam nyo po, pag may interest, every month yun, malaki po yung interest. And I was not sure kung ilang month ko kakayanin na magbayad. So, I looked, of course, what I first did, I really prayed. Super pray po talaga ako na na sana may maisip ako na mahiraman. So, yun, moving forward po, yun po, kinausap ko yung friend ko, may goal ako. So, pag mangutang po kayo for an investment po para sa computer, for example, or tools na kailangan for you to start working from home, so you have to have a goal po na magbayad. Okay po? So, there's nothing wrong with, asking for someone's help po para makastart po kayo ng, working from home. Pero again po, yun. So, thank God, yung friend ko po, trusted me enough na nagpahiram po sa akin ng 10K ata. So, basta yung ano ko, yung first ko na computer, parang 10K lang, 9,500 something. So, yun. So, lahat po ng hiniram ko, I invested po. Kasi again, I wanted to work from home. So, yun na. So, I forgot kung saan ako. Basta, importante po na if nakita nyo po na parang may kailangan ko yung i-workout, it could be your English, it could be your computer skills, or it could be other things. Pero again, isa sinabi ko na po sa mga, as I always say to the people I coach, to the people I'm helping, so, kailangan po talaga nilang mag-extra effort. Okay? And kailangan po talaga ninyong mag-research. So, yung ginawa ko po sa client po na yon, why I was hired, una, it was an answered prayer kasi super dami na pong bills. So, second po, nag-extra effort po talaga ako. Prayer is not enough if we don't work for it. I mean, if we don't work for something. So, I'm a believer po na when you pray, definitely God is listening and will do His very best to assist you with whatever you need. Pero kailangan po ninyong mag-work, extra work hard. Okay? So, yung ginawa ko po, since wala akong alam doon, again, sa business ni client, I opened the website, yung company website po nila, yung mga products po nila, inisa-isa ko yon. Super, hindi ako magaling mag-memorize, pero I made sure na meron akong isa o dalawang products na kayang i-mention na parang itong gusto ko. So, kasi hair growth products siya, so I first learned na, ay, ang dami nilang products. Okay. Since marami silang products, hindi ko kayang i-memorize in just 3 days. Kasi nga, that time meron akong part-time job din, and so on. So, yung ginawa ko, I focused on at least 3 products ata. And so, during the actual interview with the client, she was so nice, pero nakakatakot yung mukha niya. Yung bang, she's from, saan yun? California ata? I forgot. So, but, since I know my purpose, since I know what her business is, and alam ko kung ano yung purpose ko, bakit gusto kong maging part ng company nila. Yun. So, the moment I entered the room with her, it was only the both of us, just the two of us. So, the first thing that came out from my mouth, believe it or not, I was like, hey, how are you? Parang ganon, hindi ko alam. Parang mannerism ko na parang, hey, kamusta ka? Parang ganon lang. Parang feeling close ako. Hindi ko alam. So, when I asked her, like, hey, how are you? By the way, my name is Genevieve. Parang ganon ako. FC ako. And, hindi ko alam. She just smiled. At yung aura niya na parang nakakatakot, it disappeared. So, she smiled and she was like, you are the first person who asked me that today. Parang ganun siya. So, I was like, oh, really? Really, how are you? You okay? Like this? And she was like, yeah, I'm just tired today, blah, 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 blah. Super talk kami, like, hindi siya naging interview talaga. It was like, getting to know. Yun. So, una, just be nice. Us, being Filipinos, normal sa atin na parang, kamusta? Parang ganun. So, kamusta yung una ko talagang asa kanya, ha? Like, hey, how are you? By the way, my name is Genevieve. Parang ganun. And she was like, yung pinakamahirap siguro sa akin, if hindi ako nag-prepare, okay? Isa sa mga pinakamahirap na tanong siguro, if hindi talaga ako well-prepared that time, she was like, ano yung question na, sinabi niya sa akin na, oh, I could see in your resume that you don't have any experience, like any customer service experience. Parang ganun. So parang natakot ako, parang hindi ko alam yung ano, super kaba ko. Like, oo nga no, like, nung nag-prepare ako, like, while I was preparing for the interview, yung alam ko lang talaga, although wala akong background doon sa customer service, no? Pero inisip ko yung experiences ko sa buhay. Oh, although yung kung teacher ka, yung student mo talaga is your client. Yun yung ginawa kong scenario sa mind ko. So sinabi ko, I may not have, the direct experience, like as a customer service representative, parang sabi ko. But, sa experience ko, I've been dealing with people, like as my client. My students as my client. And these students are from different countries. They have different backgrounds, different, tawag dito, culture. So it took me a lot of efforts for me to be able to perform the job. Parang ganun sabi ko. And yun, ano bang and then I also shared my experience when I was a little kid. Kasi lumaki kami I don't know if tita ko nandito pa. My tita knows that I grew up in a very business-minded family. Yung lola, lolo, mama, papa ko, we used to have a business in Libertad. It's a market. It's a wet market. So, yun yung naalala ko. Like, I was very young back then, but I could still remember how we need to know the product. Para mabenta mo, you have to know the product, sabi ko sa kanya. And then, yun na nga, kasi sabi ko, you have to know the product para mabenta mo. And the follow-up question was like, speaking of products, have you seen the products? Parang ganun, alam mo ba yung mga products natin? Parang ganun, sabi niya. Buti na lang, pinag-aralan ko yung website nila. Yun yung ginawa ko. Sabi ko, sabi ko, you know what, I'm curly. Yun yung totoo talaga. Since my hair is curly, and I have to be very careful with the products I use. And you know what? When I checked the website, I loved it. I loved it so much. Although one thing, sabi ko, it's quite expensive. And natawa kami. Like, oo nga, sabi niya, oo nga, it's expensive kasi ganito, ganyan, sabi niya. So, yun na nga. I got the job. Believe it or not, wala akong experience, 8 kami, and isa lang yung kailangan. That day. Nothing is impossible. And alam ko kaya nyo rin. Kayang-kaya nyo rin. And I cannot wait for you to, to share your experiences with me. Do you have any questions, by the way? I keep talking. Can I get some water? Kalimutan ko muna ng tubig. Guys, do you have any questions? Any questions, people? Again, salamat po for those who are staying. Andito ka pa pala, ate. Si Ate Lisa, Madi Lisa, kasama ko siya sa work. Content creator din yan. Si Kayla nandito pa. Hindi ko makita, bakit? Bakit hindi ko makita kung sinong nandito? Hindi ko talaga alam paano i-check. Hi, Reggie! Andyan ka pa pala, Reg? Tagalog lang ako muna, Reg, ha? Si Reggie from Bacolod yan. Gusto niya yung live ko? Talaga, ate? Thank you naman. Salamat naman. And, Sure kayo na wala kayong questions? Talaga, wala kayong questions? Grabe naman. Sige. Oo. Yun talaga kasi, yung reason talaga that I decided po yung, yung topic, or mag-live, you love my story. Niya naman ako. Okay. Thank you, Sister Diviny. Salamat naman. Mga kasama ko sa church. Yan, sila. Thank you. Yun po, parang, if I think about it, I wouldn't really dare po na mag-apply. Talaga. For real. Kasi kita mo yung overwhelming talaga yung qualifications, promise. Pero wag kayo. Wala yan. Basta, pag-aralan nyo lang. And alam nyo, since super effort ako, no, na para lang makuha yung job, grabe yun. When I started, nung na-hire na ako, fast forward tayo, na-hire na ako, syempre happy-happy ako, like, grabe, paano nangyari yun? I couldn't believe it myself. Sabi ko, sa mind ko, kasi narinig ko na yung iba na super grabe yung experience naman talaga sa BPO. Mostly, BPO sila. Grabe. Parang, if I thought really negatively, probably, manghihinaan na ako ng loob. But then, since fighter tayo, and kailangan talaga, so, yun, sinabi ko, kakayanin ko to. And I've done what I could do. Yun yung alam ko. I've done what I could do. Yun yung pinaka-importante talaga. Sabi ko, if I didn't get the job, the learnings, the lessons, the qualifications that I've, come to understand na parang kaya ko nang i-check to. Yun, sa'yo na yun. Like, it'll be yours. Whatever happens. Matanggap ka man or hindi. So, yun yung mindset ko. Mindset ko, if this job is for me, then for me. Kasi I've done my part. Super, para na akong buang ng mag-practice, mag-research, parang nag-aaral ako ulit. Kasi first ko nga na-experience na VA job. Yung comfort zone ko talaga yung pagtuturo. Doon ako sa part na kayang-kaya ko talaga magturo ng buong grammar na libro without, studying. Siguro scan lang, few minutes. Pero, yeah, but doing something that you haven't done before, so you have to do the extra effort. Yun yung pinaka nag-highlight or nag-stick talaga sa mind ko. Kasi, when I received the email, na congratulations, you got the job, blah, 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 tapos, contract signing na. While I was, signing those papers na ang dami, super dami ng papers, isa sa mga signs na legit yung company, ang daming papel. Especially pag US company. Hindi ko alam sa Australia at sa Canada or sa iba. But sa US talaga ang daming papel. Kasi nga, wala kayong benefits, parang ganon. So, they wanted to make sure na goods ka doon. So, yun, ang daming papel. Tapos, while processing po nung mga final na mga requirements or papers, hindi pa rin, parang sa akin, parang unrealistic pa rin. Parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala that I got the job. So, ginawa ko lang yung tatlo na to. As again, the lesson is to just believe in yourself. Second, you have to make the effort, the extra effort. And third, you have to do your own research. Kasi ang daming scammers. Ang daming hindi mo talaga sigurado. Baka pagtrabahuin ka lang ng ilang araw tapos bye-bye na. Just like some people I know. Yun. So, but I'm super grateful sa opportunity na yon. And I decided to do this live kasi ang daming nagtatanong paano, especially sa mga wala talagang experience. And it is possible, as in. And if andun ka na sa client, they will train you. Yun yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. They trained me for 8 days, paid yon. Yung una kong rate ata, that was 2021, $5 lang yun. Lang. Lang, pero malaki na yun. Actually, yung $5 per hour pala. $5 per hour. Maliit yun ngayon. Pero 2021, malaki yun. So, super happy ako. And, no, na-hire na ako, doon na para nabuang na naman ako. Kasi hindi ako maka-catch up doon sa training. Pero again, you have to be patient with yourself kasi nga, dami mong kailangan pag-aralan ng mga tools and all that. So, yun. I think that's it. Pansit. And it's about 8 p.m. na. Salamat kaayo for staying sa live ko. And I hope you learned something. And I really... Balagpat, Reggie. OA man niya siya. Tunti, gidya. Hi, good evening, France. Nakahingagaw ka, France? I'm about to leave. Pero, it's okay. I'm going to reshare the live. No? Hello. Hi, mama ko. Mama ko, si Vilma. Hi, mama. Hi, papa. Should I stay longer? Kasi sabi ng mama ko ng brownout doon sa lugar nila sa Handumanan. So, yeah. But anyway, do you have any questions? I can stay a little bit for your questions. And again, good evening to everyone that are still here. Thank you for staying with me. And I hope you learned something. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Everything that we watch, ako if I don't, but well, minsan, if I just wanted to laugh, then matatawa ako. And it feels good if you're laughing. It's good for the heart. Nakakaganda yung smile or mag-laugh ka. Pero I really hope, yun yung goal ko talaga. I started to do this live. Although hindi ako super ganun ka confident and comfortable in front of the camera. But sabi ko, I wanted to help. Ang dami nagtatanong, I'm sorry, I couldn't really answer you one by one. Ang dami nagdi-DM. Ang dami nagko-comment doon sa mga post ko pa na few weeks back pa. Maybe nakikita kasi nila. Hi, Reggie. The question, yung live po natin is MWF. So, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 7 p.m. po. Yep. If walang super importante, I'll stick to that schedule po. MWF na po. 7 p.m. So, if you have any questions, and I also... Thank you, Mama. Nagtagalog si Mama. Grabe naman. Yan, thank you, Mama, for doing something na para makanood ng live ko. Super excited yung mama ko talaga manood ng live kasi first time ko mag-live. I was like very nervous at first. How would I last for 30 minutes or even 1 hour? But yeah, I did it. Thank you for, being so, tawag dyan, engaging, yung ganun. Daming nagko-comment, pero thank you so much again for your time. Alright, and if you have any questions, I also offer like coaching session. So, yeah, I can be your coach if you like. Depende sa trip mo. But again, I offer coaching with a very, very minimal amount. Okay? And yung coaching po na session is with all the technicality and all na, whether your resume, sa interview mo, everything. Tutulungan din po kita na mag-check po ng company, if legit yung company. I will also help you improve, again, your resume, and I will also teach you kung ano yung mga bagay pa na need mong gawin for you to be able to start working from home. And again, with very minimal amount. And you can DM me if you're interested. So, yun nga. But, if hindi ka pa sure na magpa-coach directly sa akin, you can definitely, thank you din, Sister Divine. Thank you so much. I am so glad na maging inspiration po and to share my story with you. I know this is not the most dramatic story po na narinig nyo, pero that's my story and I'm so happy to share it with you, and I'm really hoping that this video, after this live, I'm gonna be posting this again para sa mga gusto talagang manood. Ang daming nag-message sa akin that they're so interested, pero yun nga, meron ding mga dapat gawin. So, yes, this live is free, but again, coaching with me, if gusto mo na one-on-one tayo talaga na tutok, and to make sure you get the job, you can let me know, DM me. And since I also have to wake up super early tomorrow, my shift starts at 5 a.m., so I cannot stay that very long. But, yeah, see you on Friday. Again, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays po, 7 p.m. is our live. So, every live po, meron po tayong lesson. Kasi teacher po tayo. Okay. So, yeah, thank you so much again. And please share this live. I-share ko po siya, i-repost ko po siya. And please share this to someone na kailangan pong ma-motivate po. Ma-motivate po and ma-inspire po na mag-start na po na mag-prepare for their first work from home job experience. Thank you so much. God bless you, everybody. Good night. Bye. Thank you. Now I don't know how to end. Okay. It's here. Thank you, guys. Bye.